Hello guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well in this current COVID situation. You are happy and healthy. Uh, of course, today we need to start coffee with crypto coins again uh, with demands. And first of all, happy Chaitra Navratri to all. Happy Cheti Chan. Happy Gudi Padvo and Ramadan Kareem to all my lovely friends. So let's begin with some crypto talk about Bitcoin and blockchain technology. So you might be known about Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's start with some little description about these coins. First of all, this is not financial advice, and this is for educational purpose only for the one who is beginning their crypto journey or who wants to plan to invest some in a cryptocurrency and Bitcoin market. So let's begin with you might be known about Bitcoin. Who has invented Bitcoin and blockchain technology or cryptocurrency? Of course, you might be known or you may hear the name of Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto is anonymous. This ecosystem is started with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has some fork like Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Diamond, BSV, and so on. So then you have to know about this Ethereum coin, which is developed by Vitalik Buterin in 2015, and now its price is almost about today its price is almost on high of $2,400 per Ethereum coin. Oh, of course, Bitcoin is now on $65,000 per coin high today as of now, and Changpeng Zhao, who is invented this Binance coin, Finance BNB. So what is recent development right now? Before 2015, the market or cryptocurrency was not fundamental for me because maker of Bitcoin is anonymous. So of course, what is the goal, what is the purpose to create this currency, I was not clear fundamentally. But right now, with recent developments, there has been a growth of use of these currencies, that is Bitcoin, and many platforms have developed blockchain technology and using this technology. So what is recent development, current development? Why market is growing so high and so high, and Bitcoin is pumping from $9,000 to $10,000 per coin in somewhere in September, October, and now it is on 65,000 high, and keep moving and keep growing because there is acceptance levels is going higher and higher worldwide. Before 2014-15, it was around $1 million. The total market cap of Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency was around $1 million. Then it is 1 billion, then it is 100 billion, and now it is reached to 1 trillion. Just 15 days again. Now it is on 2.5 trillion overall market cap of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So what you need to know right now, if you are investing as a new investor, so as a new investor, some of the things you need to know. Like if you are concerned about the Bitcoin price, के भाई Bitcoin is so high on price, $65,000. You don't have $65,000 or you don't have $2,400 to invest in one Ethereum or one Bitcoin. So you might buy some fraction of it. Like you can buy 0.0001 Bitcoin or BTC, that is in Satoshi, and parallelly you can buy Ethereum also. So Bitcoin fees was higher. Then Vitalik has developed Ethereum coin to cop up the gas fee and to develop the particular ecosystem for Ethereum coin. That has been developed in 2017. That is ERC20. ERC20 tokens. So ERC20 tokens में क्या हो रहा था? What was the gap in ERC20 tokens? Like the gas consumption and fees was too much higher, right? So BNB has developed, BNB Binance Smart Chain has developed recently their own ecosystem. They have their exchange, but now they have created their own ecosystem. Right now there are ample of coins who are developing their own ecosystem, who are developing their own chains where coins can come and grow and develop their projects. So what are that chains like Polkadot, Tron chain system, then Solana, Swipe, and many Chiliz are developing their own ecosystems. But Binance is developing continuously and growing very highly because of their lowest gas fees. Their gas fee is as low as 50x than Ethereum. Like if you are paying to buy some project on Ethereum gas on Ethereum platform like Uniswap or on SushiSwap, then you need to pay as high as $40 or $50 to buy that coin particularly as a gas fee only. Your investment is different, and if you are buying same on PancakeSwap and BurgerSwap and so on Binance Smart Chain based contracts, then you need to pay only 0.5 or 0.5 or $1 only. So of course Binance Chain is getting cheaper and cheaper. What is future in this crypto space? So as a new investor, you need to begin with the top 20 currencies only. I must suggest you, if you are a newcomer, then you need to go for a top 20 or top 50 coins in the coin market cap, because that are the coins which are already running since 2014, 15 and 16, and that are very strong and fundamental, because the top 10 coins are Binance, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, then Polkadot, Uniswap, SushiSwap, Ripple, XLM, and so on. So with current developments, NFT is growing, non-fungible tokens are growing along with cross-chain platforms. So first of all, we will talk about where to invest for 10x, 100x and 1000x coins. Likewise, I am continuously posting it and putting status of that. Hold your BNB, hold your CAC and hold your BAC. What is CAC, BAC and BNB? BNB is a smart chain coin. CAC and BAC is a swapping platform coin. So of course it is growing while their own valuation is growing on their platform. So this is very deep phenomena. As a beginner, you need to know about the top 20 coins and you need to research on top 20 coins like Ripple and XLM, NEM, XCM and so on. So further we will discuss about the further development, and right now we are bullish on the future trend. Future, that is the non-fungible token and the projects newly growing on Binance Smart Chain. So particularly right now we are on that stage, like we are investing on future. Why future? Because that coins can multiply your asset, multiply your investment in a no-go. If the project is going well, then you are the initial investor of that project. Likewise, I am promoting here this Litecoin, this Thunderbolt, this Whirl and SafeMoon coin. So let's further discuss about this future of crypto industry, but now focus on what are the current developments, right? So Binance is going to $1,000 in the nearby future. Likewise, in December it was around trading on $25 per coin. Now, right now, while we are talking and discussing, it's on $640 of high. as of now, on April first week, I have predicted some of the highs of these three main coins of the market. First, second, and third number, that is Bitcoin, Binance, and Ethereum. So almost till now it is on high and high and high and keep growing. So